Hello guys, today we're going to study about Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are known to be the oldest living organisms on earth and they belong to the kingdom Archaea. They are slightly common to eukaryotes but are completely different from prokaryotes. They can be found on very harsh conditions on the earth such as the bottom of the sea or in extreme boiling points such as volcanoes. Now if we talk about the characteristics of Archaebacteria, they are obligate anaerobes. That means they can abundantly grow in the absence of oxygen, and that is why they can undergo the process of methanogenesis. They have a rigid cell wall that protects the bacteria from bursting and provides the bacteria cell shape and support. The cell wall of Archaebacteria can be dissolved by lysozyme that is produced by the human immune system. Nuclei, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies are found in Archaebacteria. They reproduce asexually by binary fission and they can survive in very harsh acidic conditions and very harsh alkaline conditions also. Now if we talk about the types of Archaebacteria, there are several types but we will discuss about the major types of Archaebacteria. First is the Crenarchaeota that can survive on very high or very low temperatures. Second is the Euryarchaeota that can survive on harsh alkaline conditions and has the capability to produce methane. Third is the Corarchaeota that is said to be the most oldest living organism on earth. Fourth, Archaeota that helps in oxidization of ammonia, and fifth is Nanoarchaeota. Now if we come to know about the importance of Archaeobacteria, what is the importance and what is its contribution to the mother nature? They have the ability to produce methane and can undergo methanogenesis. They act on the organic matter and by decomposing it they produce methane. Methane is a very useful substance as it is used for lighting and cooking purposes. Therefore, this bacteria is a primary producer. Now some interesting facts about Archaebacteria. Did you know that Archaebacteria cannot perform photosynthesis? Around 20% of all the microbial cells present in an ocean are Archaebacteria itself. Archaebacteria can only reproduce by asexual modes. This was the explanation of Archaebacteria. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.